how to change oil on a 2016 FZ09. So here's the oil that you're going to need. This is what I use right here, and I think it's like 2.5 quarts. That's what you need. And then I got a Canon filter as well. Alright, so here's the tools that you're going to need. Wait, that's not it. This is 17 wrench right here, and you have to take off this 2 caps right here. Okay, so this one cap is a fill up cap right here on the side of the motor, and you want to loosen this nut right here up, this bolt right here. This is the oil pan drain bolt, which goes right here under the oil pan. As you can see, I have it unbolt, and I'm draining the oil right now. It's that one right there. And I also took up the oil filter as well. Took up the oil filter, which is right there. You can see that. Boom. So we're located right in front of the motor. Yeah, everything is basically located right in front, bottom of the motor. And then just take those 2 loose, drain the oil, and change the filter and fill up the oil. You should be good to go. You see right there, I took off the oil pan. Oil filter. Smack that pretty easy. Pretty easy right here. Take off that bolt right there for the oil pan, and the oil filter is. Here we go, putting on the new oil filter. It should just go right on. I'm just spinning it clockwise until it tightens. You can use the 17 to tighten it. Put in the bolt.
Không ngủ nữa hả? Hả? Không ngủ nữa hả? Không ngủ thì đi. Okay. Con có muốn ăn gì không?
Hả?
Con thay nhớ hả?
Dạ, thay nhớ cái motorcycle.
Rồi đi chơi hả?
Thì mới qua mấy con thì nó có bán gì ngon không? Mua.
Không biết nó bán không, mình bán cái vé chợ
Whew. So that's it. That's how you change the oil. Now you just add the 2 quarts of oil in there. You should be good. Good to go. I need a funnel.